You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this technical analysis video. Right now Bitcoin is at 24.8k, and in my last video I talked about markets coming back down in the retracement formation after this move, after we see the CPI data and market move to the upside, which I said market is going to move to the upside regardless the data value. And on ETH, this very area is very strong right now. What are we expecting? Is market going to break on this level of resistance and move to the upside in the coming days? And right on the ETH 4-hour chart, I talk about a cup and handle pattern formation, and I said market is going to come back to form a cup. If you watch this very analysis right here on the ETH USD 4-hour chart, where I drew this very pattern right here on the channel, where I say market is going to come back down a little bit, and market come back down, form this very handle pattern right here to complete the cup and handle, and right here market is consolidating at this very area. So what are we expecting? Is market going to move from where it is right now to the upside in the coming days? Watch this video to the end, and if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the BTC USD 1-day chart right at this area, we see that the markets have been moving to the upside bullishly. I am still very much bullish on BTC, and like I said early this year, that between the first quarter of this year the market is going to hit $25k, and that is what we've seen right now. But on the longer term, I am still expecting the market to move to the upside. And if you look at the MACD here, it has started formation on the positive side of the MACD, I mean the histogram, and there is a little dilation between the MACD line and the signal line, which indicate that market is going to move up. So what I am paying attention to right now is a bullish close on this very candle that is forming right at this very area. Once this candle close bullish, it means that market is still going to move straight to the upside to 27 to 28k this very week. This is what I am expecting. And if you notice, we've break this very level of resistance, which is turning support at this area for market to move to the upside. And on the 4-hour chart, if you watch my previous video, I talk about markets coming back down in form of retracement before continuation, and that's the exact same thing we see right now. I am expecting this market to still continue to the upside. And if you look at it very well, see the MACD is forming on the negative side of the MACD with an increased momentum to the downside. That means once we begin to see the histogram start forming on the positive side of the MACD, it means that the market is going to move to the upside, and that is what I am expecting on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart right now. I'm still expecting the market to move to the upside in this formation. And on the ETH 1-day chart, you see this very level is very strong, and we need to wait for the market to break this level of resistance right here. We have resistance right here, we have resistance right here, which is now support at this very area. So markets have to move significantly from this level to the upside, which implies that the market have broken this very strong resistance, and also mean that the bulls have overcome the bears that are at this very level of resistance. So a breakout with a significant bullish candle to the upside on this very candle that is forming right now will mean that the market is going to move to the upside. So all we need to do right now is to wait for this candle to finish formation. Once it forms bullish significantly, and if you look at the MACD, it has just started formation on the positive side with the histogram increase in momentum gradually to the upside, and the dilation between the MACD line and the signal line at this very area, which is also an indication that market is going to move to the upside. So what I am paying attention to is this very candle formation. Once I see a significant bullish candle to the upside that break this level of resistance significantly, then market is going to move straight to the upside to about $1,850 to $1,900 on the long time. So this is what I am paying attention to on the 1-day chart. And on the ETH 4-hour chart, like I said in my previous video, that this is a cup formation, and we should wait for the handles to come into the market. So if you look at it, I talk about this cup formation right here, and we should wait for the handle to come into the market before we could see the market move up again. And that is the exact same thing we are seeing right here. If you watch this video right here where I talk about that, you will see that clearly. And right now the handle have already formed. What I am expecting is the market to move to the upside from where it is right now. And if you look at the MACD, it has been forming on the negative side of the MACD, with the histogram forming on the negative side. And what that means is once we begin to see the histogram start forming on the positive side of the MACD around this area, with a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line, that means the market is going to move to the upside. And that is what I am expecting, guys, because of this very consolidation happening around this area right now after this handle formation of this cup and handle formation at this very point. So this is what I am paying attention to right now. Then you can trade profitably. So this is what I am watching right now on the chart: ETH, USD 4-hour chart, and BTC 4-hour chart, and also on the long-term one-day chart on BTC, and also one-day chart on ETH. What do you think about the market on ETH? Do you think this market is going to break this level of resistance and we're going to see the market move to the upside, or you think this market is going to come back down into this level of support and then move back to the upside again and maintain this range for a while? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.